Today I'll be walking you through one platform that I have built over the past few months. So this is I was facing one problem that I have found build a solution around it. So I have been a huge follower of like YouTube. Watch a lot of YouTube tutorials and lot of video content. And one problem that I found is whenever I go want to go back and find like specific information inside a video, so at that time there is no specific tool to like do that. So I end up like watching a lot of the video again, and then I might find like some the key moment that I was trying to find. So for that, like I have built FiloRAG. So now what we can do is like we can jump right into the product, and we can log in into the system, and we can already see like as a we have two videos already uploaded in my drive, and both of them are like YouTube videos. So one is like a system design tutorial, and another one is a cooking recipe video. So from the famous chef Ranbir Brar, which I am a huge fan of. So let's start with this one. So what we can do is like we can obviously like save the video, and it's kind of like your personal drive where you can upload the videos or maybe provide some YouTube links, and then you can store it to watch later. So now what we can do is like we can chat with the video. So we can click on chat, and here we can like ask, it's kind of like a uh, AI chat tool that you have already used, but it's for video. So you can ask like any questions from this particular video that you want to find some information about. So let's say, what are the key ingredients used in the video? And like any other chatbot, like it will give you precise answers, but it will work across the video. So which I find like some other tools are not doing it properly, or not, the results are not great. So as you can see, like it's giving you yeah, here is the list of the ingredients. And uh, so I can ask a specific questions on this video. Let's say I want to find like where exactly this particular ingredients is being used. So I can ask where in the video he is using fennel seeds, and let's see if it's able to find out. Yeah, so it gives you like a timestamp and what he's saying about the video. So that is also some context from the video, and there is a link to that particular timestamp. So if you click on this timestamp and hit play, so it will basically start from that particular
साबुत
time,
लाल मिर्च
and you can
उसके
see
बाद
like
जो अचार के मसाले होते हैं
yeah, here is the
ना
fennel
जीरा
seeds. So you
सौंफ
can see uh, it's exactly here where the fennel seeds is being used, and it directly like brought you to this point. So you don't need to like rewatch the video, or like do multiple skips or fast forward the video to find this particular moment. So for example, for this video, like this is a system design tutorial video, and if we want to like ask something about this particular video, like we can do that also. So here in the video, she explains about sharding, and she has a diagram that has like a title like world of sharding. So if I want to find that particular diagram where she is describing that, so let's find that out. So where in the video is the diagram titled worlds of sharding? So yeah, it brought me to like some timestamp. If I play the video now, so it's actually at the
So,
beginning,
hey
so it
everyone,
has come
welcome back
here.
to the series.
So now let's discuss like how we can upload some videos or upload some files. So currently, like if you upload, so it will be uploaded to our drive, and the video after uploading, it will show you like detecting scenes and like indexing. So the indexing process like takes a bit longer because like we are on limited resource, and I am like building this myself like solo, so I have to be careful on the resources. So as we get more users, and I can add some more resources to like make the indexing process faster and like the make the responses faster. But for now, like in the free plan, like it's a bottleneck, otherwise I won't be like able to sustain. So let's say uh, I have some like cat images. Let's upload these images. So I am uploading images because like it will take lesser time, and you can see like it's uploading. These are all uploading and generating like some indexes. And once it is done, it will come here. So you can see like all of your cat images are now indexed. Now you can do like a global search as well. Here in the search, it's basically a global search. I can search across of my all the files that I have in my drive. So it will try to find out like the best relevant answers for your query. So let's say I want to find a blue cat. So that was I just uploaded right now. So now you can see like it's the blue cat is the first result that we are getting, and we have all the cat images as the high priority. And now the other images are ranked, like other images or videos are ranked lower. So if we have like multiple or like a huge volume of data, then we will not show like all the data, but it will be the most relevant results will be on the top, so that you can find out and you can click on it or view it. So yeah, you can find your organize your files like that. And so let's do another example. Like we can find like a, so it will understand, it not only like understands the image, it also understands like the context. Like we can find like cat in grass, cat in grass. So if I search like that, so you can see like this cat is in grass and this is on top. And this has some flowers which kind of like a grass, so that's why it's on the second result. But if I search for like cat and tulip, so this is a tulip flower, right? So yes, you see like this one is at the top. And you can like search, so if you want to like search in particulars, you already have a list of files and you want to search among that, so you can also do so. Like you can select bunch of cat images. So this is not very useful to attach files yourself and then search for it, so you can use it as a global search. Otherwise what you can do is like you can organize your files in collections, and you can add the collection to like here and then search inside that particular collection. So let's say I already have created like two collections. Now I want to add another collection for the cats. So let's name it like cat images, and bunch of cat images from internet. And let's give a folder a color. And if I want to keep the folder at the root level, so this is we don't have to do anything here. But if we want to put it some inside some other folder, then we can do it. Otherwise okay, let me show you first. So now we can add some files inside this. So one file you can add it in multiple folders. So I have now added all the cat images in my folder, and now I can search across the collection. So if I want to like search across the cat images, I can select that collection and say like again that blue cat. So it gives me only the cat images, and because it's all inside this collection, and it's giving me the relevant ones at the top. Now if I want to search across videos, that will also work. So let's say I want to search for like fennel seeds, as I showed you. uh, I'm not sure why I'm searching for fennel seeds today, but let's do it. So it see like this only this video has some context about the fennel seeds, so it's in the result, and it will give you like all the scenes that are relevant to it. So if I click on any particular scene, it will jump back to like that particular area, and it probably uses something like fennel seeds, so that's why it caught the attention. but you can see like all the top results will be, you can go through the, yeah, you can see
जीरा,
like here directly it
सौंफ,
shows the funnel
कलौंजी.
sales. So all the top results you can like find it like this, and you can just go through the list of the scenes and you'll find your relevant information. So this is also helpful to like search across videos. if we if you don't want to chat, you just want to like don't want to generate something out of it, you just want to like find something in the video, then you can just use the search. And there is another feature is like you can in these collections, like you can go into the collections like by double clicking on the collection. So I have a tutorials folder, inside that I have system design folder. I can create another folder inside it, like clicking on like add sub collection, or I can like have some files also inside it from here. And you can have like like same files can be in multiple folders, so there is no restrictions on that. You can organize the files however you want. So I can add my system design video here, so I can add it. Some usage limit is already obviously there, because I cannot sustain like unlimited usage for free. So we have like so you can see your usage limits. So currently this account is on free plan. I am basically using free plan of my own product. So here you can see like the usage limit is 97 MB out of 1 GB, and we have like max length limit like 10 minutes or 1 hour videos. And here we have like some file chats. So file chats is basically when you chat with a file, and AI conversations is this one. So this chat section is like a global chat, so you can chat across all the files. But for better results, I suggest like if you choose any particular file and then you can ask it some questions. Sorry for that. So let's say I add this system design tutorial, and I ask like uh, what are the key points in this video. So as you can see, like it says like the video discusses the concept about sharding and software development, uh, blah blah blah. Here it covers like the celebrity problem, that is uh, a known topic in the world of system design. So if I want to see that particular section, like show me where it shows celebrity problem. So now it will try to find out basically the files based on that. So now haven't like attached anything, but based on the context, it will find it out. So it will basically show you the exact time, and you can see like here
So,
it is, the
how do we
celebrity
fix
problem
this?
is
We
being
have to
discussed.
create artificial sharding.
So I think yeah, that's pretty much it. And we have a settings section where you can find some basic information about the usage and the plans, and some account section where you can like reset your password and see your profile informations. Yeah, I think yeah, that's all. And if you find this product useful, or if you like the demo, then I will ask you to like try it out and let me know your honest feedbacks. So if you can go to like FiloRAG.com, and in the about section I have given you my contacts. So if you want to like uh, discuss something about the product, or you can find my contacts here. You have the LinkedIn, and also you can reach me out through the email. So yeah, best of luck, and I think I hope that you like the product and you will be using it in future. Thank you very much.